Hey there, business owners. Today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone running a business: risk management. You might be thinking, risk management, really? Yes, really. So, what exactly is risk management? In simple terms, it's about identifying, assessing, and controlling threats to your company's capital and earnings. These risks could stem from a variety of sources like financial uncertainties, legal liabilities, management errors, accidents, and natural disasters. Now, why do you need it? Well, imagine you're sailing a ship. Risk management is like having a radar that helps you navigate through stormy waters. Without it, you're sailing blind. You need to be prepared for the unexpected. Let's talk benefits. First off, it protects your bottom line. By identifying potential threats early, you can take steps to minimize their impact. It's like having an insurance policy for your business. Secondly, it improves decision-making. With a good risk management strategy, you're not just reacting to problems, you're anticipating them. This proactive approach helps you make better, more informed decisions. Third, it boosts your company's reputation. Let's face it, nobody likes a business that's constantly in crisis mode. By managing risks effectively, you show clients, investors, and employees that you've got things under control. But how does it prevent damage? Think of risk management as a safety net. It doesn't just catch you when you fall, it helps you avoid falling in the first place. By regularly assessing and updating your risk management plans, you're staying one step ahead of potential threats. For instance, if you identify a financial risk, you can diversify your investments or set up a reserve fund. If it's an operational risk, maybe you need better training for your staff or regular maintenance for your equipment. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. In conclusion, risk management isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial part of running a successful business. It protects your assets, improves decision-making, enhances your reputation, and, most importantly, helps you sleep better at night. So, take the time to develop a solid risk management plan. Your business will thank you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on protecting and growing your business. See you next time.